Yes, they have left him. No, there's naught to do, save let him out of life the gentle way, for wear of body tissues past repair is the hard price so many years must pay. Yes, I have known him since he was a pup. I have vaccinated him long years ago, and treated him a score of times since then. It's fitting I should let him go. He trusts me and holds up a paw unasked. One needle more, old friend, the best and the last. Thus to put off the weariness of pain, slip soft from sleep to silent suffering past. Do animals have souls, you ask of me? No, not as humans do in their degree, but loved and loving beasts, the wise agree, by body's death could never cease to be.